we're good.
We're good? Okay. On December 28, 2020, at approximately 2:30 p.m., the Tuscaloosa County Sheriff's Office responded to the 3000 block of 35th Avenue on a report of an unresponsive 6-month-old. The caller was Tiffany Marcia Washington. She was 30 years old. She said that the child was unresponsive, and at the instructions of 911, she began CPR. The child is Jordan Taylor, again 6 months old. She was transported to the hospital where they attempted to stabilize her. Once she was stable, she was taken to the Children's Hospital. She was in critical condition at that time. The Violent Crimes Unit responded and began an investigation. Through our investigation, we charged Tiffany Marcia Washington, the caller, with assault in first degree and aggravated child abuse. Today at 9:30 a.m., Jordan was pronounced dead. We have now upgraded the charge from assault 1 to murder. Ms. Washington is not the child's mother, but is a distant relative who's been watching the child for an extended period of time. She also has one of Jordan's siblings, or did before this incident. We're continuing the investigation, and more charges may be forthcoming.
Now, has the other child been taken into with like DHR or with family?
The other child is with another family member.
What's the specific charge again against the suspect in this case?
The initial charge was assault in first degree and aggravated child abuse. The assault has been upgraded to murder.
And was there thought to be any abuse to the other child too?
That's under investigation.
When a case like this happens, I know what your role is. Do you guys bring in DHR? Are they a part of it, or is this strictly law enforcement of what happens?
DHR is part of it. Obviously, experts at Children's weigh in on the injuries and give their expert opinions on those injuries.
Can you speak at all of what the circumstances were when law enforcement arrived at that scene?
Circumstances as far as
What was going on in the household? Who was there, that kind of thing?
the defendant was there with the child, and those were the only two that were there at the time. I'm not sure if the other child was there.
How many homicides of children or infants does this make for you guys? Because I want to say, I think at least once over some of the, on one day you guys had like 2.
This is the third this year.
This is the third.
Yes.
Third child death in an abuse investigation.
The third murder of a child.
How difficult are these cases?
Well, of course they're difficult. The investigators always remain professional, but it obviously would take its toll.
She's been charged. What's next in this case?
We'll continue the investigation into possible additional charges against her for Jordan and also for the siblings. So we still aren't sure what will be forthcoming if anything comes.
How many homicides is this, I guess, for the unit in total? Because I know you guys investigate Tuscaloosa, the county.
I believe this is our 22nd this year in the county. When I say in the county, that's county-wide, including all jurisdictions. Yes, sir.
I don't know if you mentioned this, but has her bond amount changed with the elevated charges?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
The murder carries $150,000 bond.
That was good. Good. Thank you, Captain Sellers.
Thank you, sir.